Hey folks, it's me Brian, and this is what I'm drinking today. I'm having a yellow bird. There are many variants on the internet and recipes that I've seen in books, even my little cocktail book. But essentially, the major components to a yellow bird are rum and Galliano. So some variants have different juices in there. I decided to have all the different juices that I've seen, including also triple sec. So with the version that I'm making, I've kind of picked parts from this recipe and that recipe. I'm using 1/2 ounce of both my rums, the light one and the dark one, and putting it into my shaker. Oops, that's a little bit too much rum. Right, so some white rum and then some dark rum. Followed by 1/2 ounce of the Galliano LIQUEUR. Licorice. Smells like licorice. And then 1/2 ounce of the triple sec. I'm just about finished with this. Might as well finish it. And then calls from the juices. So I'm gonna do about 1/2 ounce of the lime juice. Almost finished with the lime juice, might as well finish it. And ounce of the pineapple juice. And about 1.5 ounces of OJ. So ounce of this pineapple juice. About 1.5 ounces of the OJ. I'll probably put in a little bit more since I put a little bit more alcohol in that than my recipe calls for. So I'm about to put about 2 ounces of that. And shake. And strain into my highball glass of ice. I see the color yellow bird has a distinctive yellow color, and garnish with some cherries. And although I have been in the house for the most part and sequestered, the show must go on. So, pros. Stay safe. See you tomorrow, folks.